There is not a magic recipe, a magic formula when you are thinking about how to write your story, how to do your presentation, how to videotape your story. But there are some ingredients that I think that you need to think in advance before production, before you go into the studio, before you start to type on your computer. The first thing is that you need to create a structure for your information, right? And an order, a sequence of events. And it's important to transform static information into events, things that are happening, from nouns and adjectives into verbs. We tend to think in a very classical way when structuring information in a story, so it will be a presentation and then a conflict and finally the resolution. But there are many other ways to create that sequence. Maybe think about a detective story where you have a dead corpse there, that's the beginning, and then you flash back and then you explain why that happened. So think about it and think about the most adequate way to structure your information. Once you have that, another important thing is conflict, right? Scary words. Maybe your company, your brand, your candidate, you don't want conflicts in your presentation, in your story. But if you don't have a conflict, you will not have a story. Conflict is what people pay attention to, because we all use stories as cultural tools to learn which are the social norms in any community. Therefore, a story in a way, and thanks to conflict, is a case study where people pay attention to that conflict and they think, what would I do if I was the main character and I have to confront that situation? There are many sources to think about your most adequate conflict. The first one is a kind of conflict is internal conflicts. Think about your company, your brand, your audience, your main character, your celebrity, your politician, and internal aspects of their personality, of their life that they need to overcome. That is the first source. The second one is people, right? So if it can be competitors of your brand. It can be conflicts with other people. It can be conflicts with your partners. It can be conflicts with your mates, your colleagues, whatever. That is a second source of conflict. And last, big, huge kind of environmental conflict. So is your character or your brand against global warming, or against a big fire, or against a huge need of water? Think about a kind of huge, big challenges, and those are another good source of conflict. Emotions, very important. Which is the key emotion that you want your audience to experience? That is another thing that you have to think in advance. Once you have that, you have another important thing to think about, which is details. And details make any story believable, make every story, they build your credibility, right? So sometimes we think, okay, let's focus on the most important things, and you start to cut details. Sometimes details are the key, crucial path to understand a story. Think about Arthur Conan Doyle stories and London and crimes, and imagine that without fog. Very difficult to trust, very difficult to believe, right? Therefore, think about which are the key details that you want to showcase in your story. Another important thing is the magic object. You have a magic object that will help your hero, your main character, your company, your brand, your consumer, will help to overcome that challenge that is encapsulated in your story conflict. Therefore, you have to think about that. Imagine you have the King Arthur, and then you have the magic sword. That is something important. Imagine Harry Potter and his magic wand. So those are the key elements that you have to think about whenever you think about magic objects. Your magic object might be an idea, might be a patent, might be a product, might be a new program in your bank, whatever you choose, you decide. Another ingredient that you need to think about for your story is which is the moral that you want to convey with your story, which is the message that you want to deliver, that needs to be connected with a higher value order kind of message. So think, is it about love always win? Is it about you have to trust in yourself? Think about the moral, and that will help you to structure and to create a consistent story through the different media platforms and devices.